In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a PDF from Claude AI. So let's go ahead and find our Claude app here. I'm just on an iPhone, so it should work the same way as if you were on an Android. So let's go ahead to Claude and let's make a new conversation. So let's just type in something here. When was Disneyland built? And so we're going to go ahead and answer that question. And a couple seconds, it'll give us a brief answer here. But let's say we want to download this as a downloadable PDF so we can have it on our phone. Simply, you just want to ask. So let's go ahead and type in, can you convert this to a downloadable PDF that I can download on my iPhone? And go ahead and hit send. And it's going to run through its prompts. It's going to run to see if it can actually give you a downloadable PDF option here. And you just have to wait for that to get getting made here. As you see, then Claude gives you a PDF. So what we can do from this point is go ahead and click on the PDF. And as you see, it has the question that we asked and it has the answer that it gave. So the only thing you got to do is go to the three dots at the top right-hand corner. Go ahead and hit download. And we're going to go ahead and download this and hit save to files. And that's going to save to our actual iPhone files. So go ahead and hit save. And then if we were to back out of here and go to our Files app and then go to our downloads, you'll see the Disneyland history question that I made, and that's it. It's super simple and super easy to download a PDF from Claude on your iPhone once you go ahead and ask a question, and simply just ask it to give you a